I have following problem. I put the ignition on so I can start the engine. You see the lamp here. And that's the problem. I have only 1000 kilometers to run. Therefore I have to disassemble the lights and the last part of the car, and we will see there are good videos where they're showing that how to do. So I will put it out, disassemble, and we will look how it's going on. So I put everything out of the car. So here you can see it. Maybe I describe it, the lights. Important is that you have here a screw inside of the. So I put everything out to understand. Here's a screw that it's hidden behind the thing, and I put the bumper out. Yeah. And now I'm going to get off these two cables. On this side I have to put out 1, 2, and on top of that I have to put the AdBlue itself, or the wire. Maybe it's really better a little bit. So the pipe and also the wire you see here. So that's the point where we cleaned it up. Now we open the 3 screws. This one and this one. So we mounted this out and found out this must be the problem. This is the cover side we took off, and now we are going to change this model. This is the AdBlue tank. I put the AdBlue tank or the pump inside. You can see here, these are the plugs. 1, 2, 3. This yellow one I have to put out before I insert it. That's it. The tank inside looks very good. This plug I have to mount on later on, and these two. So that's it. So after that replacement, I mounted everything together, erased all the DTCs or the codes, and now we are starting. It looks fine. So that's the problem, guys.